So welcome students. In this question, given that you have tickets numbered 00, 01, 02, so on up to 49. You have 50 of these tickets. Now one ticket is randomly chosen from this. So what is the probability that the sum of the digits of the number of the ticket is equal to 8 if it is given that the product of the digits is equal to 0? This is a question based on conditional probability. So let us say that event A is the event that the sum of digits is equal to 8, and B be the event that the product of the digits is equal to 0. Now you are asked to find P of A by B, right? So by definition, P of A by B is P of A intersection B by P of B. Now what is P of A intersection B? P of A intersection B is that the probability that the sum of the digits is 8 and also the product of the digits is 0. And P of B is the probability that the product of digits is 0. So first let us find P of B. So P of B is equal to something by something. So the denominator is very easy to find. You are selecting one ticket, so the ticket can be any one of these 50 numbers. Now if the product of the numbers have to be equal to 0, either the units digit or the tens digit has to be equal to 0. They have two digits. So if the units digit is 0, the tens digit can be either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have the numbers. If the units digit is 0, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 5 options, because it cannot be 5, 0. You're not going till 50. You're going till only 49. And if the tens digit is 0, that is, you can have 0, 0 has been already counted. So I have 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. That is, you have 9 numbers. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So probability that the product of the digits is equal to 0 is equal to 14. And what are the numbers? 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. And 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, so on up to 0, 9. Now, what is P of A intersection B? A intersection B is nothing but the product of the digits have to be 0, and the sum of the digits should also be equal to 8. So, out of these 14 options, in how many options is the sum of digits equal to 8? So, these cases does not satisfy the condition. So, you have 0, 2, 0, 3, so on. You have a number 0, 8, where the sum of digits is equal to 8. So you have only one number such that the sum of digits is equal to 8. So P of A intersection B is 1 out of 50. So what is P of A intersection B by P of B? There is 1 out of 40. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.